Everything else is what Babylon cannot deny, free from Babylon. Babylon, come when we shut it up, free from Babylon. Babylon, I'm a rebel in this music, I'm a rebel in the streets, I'm a rebel, I'm a rebel in these streets, Looking for yes, yes, I go. Every time we pass it through, and my life begins to slow. And it will protect my soul. If you and I learn just to get by, everything else is for top of pride. Why tell me to into a bigger lie? Babylon cannot die, free from Babylon. Babylon, oh, let me shut it up, free from Babylon. Babylon, when you take me to abroad, stay away from all the cars. Sweetest rice and then the car, don't there's some Sanika. Whoa, it's the only thing I know. Judge and love, so let it grow. Yeah. If you ever keep your soul, just to get by. Listen to me, I've come too far. Why would you leave and exit alone? I want you to stay, and I'll make it the way. You're my kid tonight, and I don't have too much time. Turn up. Crazy, I love you. We live there, same as respect. You fed me, I fed you, but this love without its bitter taste. That's why we better move tonight. Forgive me, forgive me, oh Lord, forgive me, yeah. Forgive me, no. Pay attention. It's my last song. Hope you guys love it. I wrote it last weekend.
Quick writer.
Hey you, don't shoot. I'm on the loose. Don't you leave me far from the truth, 'cause I'm begging for mercy. Why would you hurt me and you? Underwater, inhaling, breathing in and out the blue. Yeah. Sun is setting, moon is rising today. Cupid seems to be playing away. I said it all seems perfect, but is it worth it to you? And now in between us, I am ocean blue. Don't shoot.
this is how we kick it off. This is what we call First Coast Jamaican hip hop and R&B. How it sound? It sound profound, and we gonna keep on keeping on with the NRG movement. I'm proud to present to the stage one of the cats that has been putting in a lot of work over the last 15 years, bro. 10, 15 years we've been here, doing it on our own. You know what I'm saying? Representing from street corner to street corner. And you know what it is? We build the rock from the pebble. You know what I'm saying? We bring it from like the smallest to the